Unbeatable discount from Frienz. Looking for high-quality learning resources that your children will love? Whether they're just starting out or looking to advance their skills, Frienz has the perfect solutions. Take a deep dive into social-emotional learning with our advanced ebook. Explore important topics such as empathy, decision-making, and relationship skills to support your child's emotional growth. Introduce your little ones to social-emotional learning with our junior ebook. Engaging stories helps them understand feelings and build friendships in a fun way. Discover how to master SEL topics more effectively by engaging with our comprehensive workbooks designed for hands-on learning and skill development. Encourage creativity and motivation with coloring pages that spark the imagination and wall art that creates a positive, uplifting environment for your child. Don't miss out on these amazing offers. Give your child quality learning resources at unbeatable prices. Grab yours today at www.edufrienz.com and give your child the boost they need.